How to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. You see such interface, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, so first of all, completely close the Roblox and then open up a browser. Now here you want to type in roblox.com and log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, that's going to direct you to the home page. So here on the home page, you want to click the gear icon from the top right hand side and go to settings. So basically you have to make some changes with the privacy settings. So you want to go to the first of all privacy and content maturity. Now here you want to go to content maturity, and then you just have to make sure to select it minimal, or you could go with the mild as well. After you've made changes with that, what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on security. And here, if you have any sort of parental control or any sort of restrictions, that means you need to enable it. So in my case, I do not have any, so I can't see this section. But then you just have to make sure to disable it. So, and you'll have successfully done it. So once you've actually made changes right on this page, what next you also want to make sure to do it is that you want to close this or log out of your account. So click the gear icon and click on log out, and then close this tab, restart your device, and see whether the issue fixes or not. Despite of doing all of these procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then what you could do is you could try looking for the hidden app right over here. And if you see Roblox, you want to right click on the mouse and then exit it. So once you've done it, so you also want to make sure to click anywhere at the bottom of the screen, right click on the mouse and locate task manager. Once you do it, so here you want to go ahead and locate Roblox player. If you find it, so you want to right click on the mouse and click on end task. Now you want to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So for that, you want to go to the search box and type in control panel. When you locate control panel, then you want to go to uninstall a program right over here. After which you want to scroll down to the section of R and locate Roblox, and when you find it, so you want to right click on the mouse and click on uninstall this, and now you could restart your device and reinstall the Roblox application and see whether the issue fixes or not. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.